Hi guys, in today's video, I'm creating this beautiful purse flower box bouquet for Mother's Day. It's so unique and pretty, so let's get started. Okay guys, so these are the flowers I will be using today, and here I have my purse flower box. These boxes I got from Temu. There were two in the pack. You can also get these boxes on Amazon. So first I'm going to open up my box by pushing the bottom down and pulling the sides out. I really liked that this came already assembled. All I had to do was to open it up. So it came with these gold handles that I will be attaching, and it really does make the box look like a nice chic purse. The box is also very sturdy and the handles are very safe. Once you get it through the holes, it would be very hard for it to come loose. I'm going to be adding the next handle, and then we're going to be just about ready to start putting together the arrangement. Guys, how cute is this flower box? I really do love it. I went ahead and cut my flowers to different lengths, and some I will be using toothpicks to add them to the floral foam. I'm now adding my floral foam, and it has already been cut to the right size. I'm keeping it in the plastic just to keep the box clean. I did turn the foam onto the other side because it fitted the inside of the box much better. And now for the fun part, arranging the flowers. I'm going to start by placing the shorter ones to the front and then the taller ones to the middle and back to get that full look. And you really can't go wrong here, guys. Just keep layering and adding until you love how it looks. You can always rearrange and move things around if something is not working. I forgot to mention, guys, that the flower box also comes in a variety of colors, so you are able to customize this to any color theme that you like. And just a reminder, guys, if you are enjoying the video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please go ahead and do so. I would greatly appreciate it. And to all my new subscribers and returning subscribers, I thank you so much. I really do appreciate your support. As you go along, make sure to fill any gaps so your bouquet looks nice and lush. I added some purple baby's breath along with some berry picks, and these make great fillers. This would also be really nice, guys, if you added some mini beauty products or some chocolates to the inside. So I really do hope this gives you some inspiration. I have here my little Mother's Day sign. I got this on Amazon last year, and I'm just going to go ahead and add it right here. And here's the final look, guys. This purse flower box bouquet turned out so beautiful and makes such a perfect gift. Well, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this DIY. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.